everyone, my name is Luke Aberley and welcome back to Luke's View. And today we have a super cool unboxing and review from a very cool guy called Ben Riggin, and he sent me one of his new products called TOSSITS. Now these are super cool and I'm super happy to try these out and show you guys a real world test about how these would work. And yeah, so as you guys might know from my websites and blog, I went to a event called The Gathering, and I met Ben Riggin there, and he was super nice enough to give me one of these, his TOSSITS, one of his new products, and yeah, so we're going to do a review on it. I even have the camera up here this time to show you guys, so yeah, let's jump right into it. So, you guys might be wondering, well, what are TOSSITS? So TOSSITS are garbage bags, disposable ones, that go on the headrest of your car, and you can put garbage and everything out in it without it leaking or smelling, and it's just really awesome. So I'm actually, once I run out of these, I'm going to for sure buy some more probably, because I've always had this problem where we don't know where to put garbage. We're on a road trip. You know, you're trying to put garbage away so it's not touching you, it's not near you. It gets in the way, it's not nice, it's not pleasant, and you just want it away. So what we're doing here is with TOSSITS, you get a garbage bag that goes over your headrest. It doesn't take any leg room or anything. You put all your garbage in it, you just rip it off, and then you can put it in the garbage. And you can just store it without it smelling up, so it's just super easy. Because I've always had this problem. When we went on a big road trip, I actually went to the dollar store and bought a $3 garbage can, put it in our car, and we thought it would solve our problems, but it didn't. It took up all our leg room, super ginormous, always tipped over, all the garbage would fall out. It would just be such a hassle, no one could reach it. It would always be underneath bags and stuff. It was just super bad experience. So this is super awesome. I'm super pumped to try these out, and these are going to be super useful for me, and I'll leave a link down below to these, to their website, and make sure to go check them out. They're honestly super cool, and it's way better than just buying a cheap garbage can, putting it in your car, because honestly these things have 3 times more room, and they take up no extra room where your legs are or your bags or anything, and it's not a distraction. You just plop it in, put it on the back of your headrest, and you're all good to go. So let's unbox them right now. So here we are with the overhead camera. Hello. So we are going to unbox these. This is my new studio, and so I hope you guys enjoy this. But yeah, so here we go. This is my first time opening these, and I'll show you guys in my actual truck how these would work. So very nice packaging so far. Take these out. You get a little instruction thing. So number 1, you're just hanging over your headrest. Number 2, put all your garbage in. And number 3, rip it off. And then seal and dispose. So that's pretty simple. So we'll open these up. Oh, okay. Holy cow, are these things big. Look how big these guys are. This is taking up half of my table. These things are huge, but they're so you can store a lot in here. Oh, I get it. So you have this little thing right here, and you hook this onto your headrest, and then you just rip it off. There's a little tear thing here. It's very high quality. Yeah, so you guys actually want me to tell, so he told me the story behind TOSSITS. So TOSSITS actually, what they do is, he said that he always had his 3-year-olds, and they always had their goldfish wrappers, but could never tell where to put them. So his wife said, why don't you create something to put all their wrappers in, all their stuff, doesn't take up any extra room, isn't a hassle. And so he came up with TOSSITS and started selling them, and these things are genius. Honestly, smell good. Have little TOSSITS things, and so I guess in this pack we get 7 bags. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Awesome. Okay, so these are super cool. Yeah, I'm super pumped about this. And yeah, so how about we'll go to my car right now. We're gonna go there, and I'm gonna show you guys how these work. We're gonna put in garbage and everything, and see if these things are worth your time. So let's go in 3, 2, 1, boom. So guys, here we are. So I think we just put them on like this, the little elastic band, and there we go. So let's put some garbage in here. So we got this. So let's just grab some garbage, plop it in. Boom. Pretty sleek, pretty simple. When you're done, you just tear it off. Don't want to waste a bag right now. But yeah, that's pretty simple actually, and this is actually really genius. Like, it's pretty sleek, just sits on your seat like that. No big deal. See, like when you're sitting down right here like this, doesn't take up any leg room, just on your seat, which you don't really hang anything off your seat. At least I don't. And so you're just sitting like here, driving away like here, waiting, and all you do is you just grab some garbage after you're on a 7-hour road trip. You go in, boom, and that's it. You don't have to put it underneath the seat or try to, I don't know, I'll just like put it on the floor, and then it's all messy, and it's just like, it's horrible. So this is really awesome, and I'm really glad that Ben Riggin did this, and this is super genius. So yeah, I'll meet you guys back in the studio to kind of do a conclusion, and yeah, so I'll meet you guys back there in 3, 2, 1. Guys, in conclusion, you guys should totally go check out TOSSITS. They're an awesome product, and honestly, if you go on your daily commute and you say pick up a breakfast sandwich and cut the wrapper, these are super helpful. Even in the passenger seat, you can put it on the front too if you want, if no one sits there. And even if you don't go on commutes but you have a car still, like, just have a Kleenex, put it in here. It's honestly like super smart, and even just for emergencies, just to have. It doesn't hurt to just buy a few of these, and like, honestly, they're super cool, and I'll be using these daily for sure, because I have a lot of garbage. Like, sometimes I come home from school, we're in the car, it's a little bit longer commute, then just have a quick snack, toss the wrapper in here, and it's perfectly fine. So yeah, I think that's it for now, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll leave some links down below if TOSSITS has an Instagram or Facebook page, and I'll definitely leave their website down below and stuff. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.